Good morning, boys and girls. Hope you had a wonderful week so far. Let's do number corner for today. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Let's check out what we have today. We have a circle. Let's see how many times we can fold it. What do you think it's going to be? Oh, we'll turn it this way. Remember, you can follow along. So let's see. I could fold it in half. There's another time. I bet I could go even more. We're not going to try right now. If you want to try on your own, feel free. So it folds in at least 4. How awesome. Let's add that to our chart. All right, here we are. Today is the 16th. We have a circle. And it folds in at least 4. Ooh, not a Z. That was my bad. And yes, it is symmetrical. Fantastic. Let's see how many days in school today. So yesterday was 141 days. Let's add one more. Let's start at 100 and count on by tens. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Stop. 141, 142. Today is 142 days in school. Crazy. Written form. 100. Can't spell today. 142 days. What days? How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones? That is going to be our question for today. How many hundreds, tens, and ones are in the number 142? So I will leave that blank for you to fill in. And expanded form. There is 100. How many tens? 4. So that equals 40 plus 2, because there's 2 ones, and that equals 142. Perfect. So yesterday's question was how many popsicle sticks do we have now? And I noticed that a lot of my friends got the correct answer, so great job. We have 11 popsicle sticks now. We have a bundle of 10. As you can see, here's 10 right here, 5, and 1 extra. And that's 10. So let's see what we can get today. 3. Do we get another bundle of 10 yet? Unfortunately not, because we don't have another 10 quite yet. But we have 3 extras, so now we have 10 and 1 10 and 4 ones. Let's see how much that is. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. We have 14. Let's make it orange for today. Now we need to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. There we go. We have 14. And we can't cross yet because we don't have another one. Once we have a 5, we'll be able to cross it. Fantastic. So now we have if we have 14. We have the same amount as week 1 already, and it's only Thursday. I wonder what we'll get tomorrow. And I wonder which week will be the most. It's exciting. So today we are going to play a game, and this game is called the 120 game. So let me just show you the first spinner. So let's put up a little shield just so you can just see the first spinner right now. So if you notice this, there is a clear overlay spinner that spins, and now it's saying -10. What do you notice about this first spinner? I will give you some time to think about what you notice in that first spinner. Okay, I'll tell you what I notice. I notice that there are plus and minus. I notice that diagonal, they are opposites. Here's +10, here's -10. +10 and diagonal to it is -10. -1, right across from it, +1. So that is really cool. Okay, so after we spin, we're going to hop over to our 120 grid. So here's how it's going to work. We are both going to start at the number 50, okay? So you're going to start at 50, and I'm going to start at 50. So let's see how we're going to do this. I wonder if I do this, if I can move it. I cannot. Okay. So you guys are going to be a red, and I am going to be yellow. No surprise, right? Yellow and red. Okay, so we are both going to start on 50, so I'll put us both on 50. And here we go. Oops, wrong one. There we go. All right, so it's going to be back and forth. I'm going to play for you, and I'm going to play for me. It's going to be a little confusing, but we're going to make this work. So I will go first. I'm going to spin. I get to go plus 1. So if I get to go plus 1, what is 1 more than 50? Do I go to 60? No, that's 10 more. 1 more than 50 is 51. All right, now it's your turn. We got a line. Let's do it again. Plus 10? What? Oh, you lucky ducks. All right, what's 10 more than 50? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Man, oh man, you guys are beating me already. This isn't fair. Just kidding. You guys are doing great. All right, my turn. What? Minus 10. Okay. Now I got to count backwards by 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm at 41 and you're at 60. All right, this is your turn. Oh no! You have minus 10. All right, let's go back 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 50 would be 10 because you were at 60. 10 less than 60 is 50. All right, let's see what I get. This is the last round, and then we have to spin our spinner. Oh my goodness, I have to go back 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go. I went back 10. I'm at 31 and you guys are at 50, back where you started. Crazy. All right, your last spin. Cross your fingers, cross your toes. Let's see what you get. Plus 10. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So you guys are at 60 and I am at 31. I could still win and you guys could win. Now there is this little not a spinner, I'm sorry, a dice. And this dice is going to tell us who wins. If it says more, who is going to win? You guys are going to win. And if it says less, who's going to win? Mrs. Gale is going to win. Woohoo! All right. Let's see. Toss it. Oh no, oh no. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Gale won. Crazy. Woohoo! Kind of excited. We did fantastic. If you want to play this game at home, you let me know. I will attach this to the materials in Google Classroom so that you have the opportunity to play it. Super fun. I love this game. Easy to play at home. If you have, I will attach this 120 grid and I will attach the game spinner. Unfortunately, you won't have this on here where it spins for you. I wonder, I will have to check and see if I can actually send that out. I will check. But if you wanted to play games with 120 grid, you are more than welcome to. I will send this out. I think I already did, but I'll send it out again. Let's go over our homework for today. All right, here we are. Alrighty. Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Scholastic Read and Learn at Home. I'm excited to see what books you're choosing to read on there. They're super fun. There's no writing, but remember, if you have not finished your character, right now would be a great time to do it. Otherwise, you can always make another one. Watch the math lesson and do the workbook page number 40 and answer the question also in Google Classroom. Watch Number Corner as you are doing right now. Today there is no science or social studies, but if you wanted to continue researching your beetles, feel free. If you want to research another beetle, that is fantastic. Keep up the great work. I've seen some of your beetle ones and they're awesome. So great job, guys. And optional activities for art, music, and PE. Remember right here, here's the link. Guidance lesson, here's the link. They are also linked in Google Classroom also. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday. And next week we will be doing a show and tell Google Meet all together. So I'm excited to show and tell. Maybe baby Evelyn will show and tell something that she loves also. She has a lot of things that she loves, but she can show and tell something too. I know she'll enjoy it. She loves looking at people on the screen because that's what we've been doing with our families, and I know she'd be excited to see all of you, as I am excited to see all of you. Miss you guys so much. Stay healthy and have a great Thursday. Bye.